So these Gonicc titanium bypass shears, you can see how they have the really tough blade like this, comfortable handles, great for roses, which is, the primary thing I do in cutting the roses off of here. Nice clean cuts. So again, I love them for, even thick stuff. They just slice right through. Nice clean cuts. Really healthy roses like nice clean cuts, and that's what's great about bypass shears versus anvil shears. You want to use bypass shears for pruning roses and fruit trees and those kind of things. So even things like small trees, this thing, no problem chopping the small trees. Nice, easy, clean cuts. Really nice product to keep a nice tree like this nice and trimmed out. So again, these are the Gonicc bypass shears. There's a link in the comment section to buy these. They're only $17. So it's a really great deal on Amazon. So again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to get more of my gardening videos. Until next time, this is Doug saying thanks for watching.
What's it doing, Ginger?
You want to come help me prune?
Yeah. Don't. What's going on? You're going to.